Hello everyone, this is John from GC Chinese. In our last video, we learned spring and summer. And in this video, we'll continue to learn two new characters regarding seasons. They are 秋 and 冬. 秋, autumn or fall. 冬, winter. Alright, now let's write those two characters together. Alright, the first character we are going to write here is 秋. It means autumn or fall. Pay attention to the stroke order. It's a downward left stroke, a horizontal stroke, a vertical stroke, a downward left stroke, and this here is an extended dot. Here is a dot, a downward left stroke, and a downward stroke to the left, and a downward right stroke. 秋. There are in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 strokes. Nine strokes. And its pinyin is 七优秋, 七优秋. Its initial is 七 and its final is u. It's level tone. 七优秋. Next, I'm going to write it again. You can write it with me. 秋. It means autumn or fall. And this is a left-right structure character. This part here is its left part, and this part here is its right part. 秋. Okay, next character is 冬. It means winter. Now pay attention to the stroke order. The first stroke here is a downward left stroke, and a horizontal stroke with a downward turn to the left, and a downward right stroke, and a dot, and another dot. This character is relatively easy. How many strokes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly. In total, there are 5 strokes, and its pinyin is 的ong, 冬. The initial here is 的, and the final is ong. It's level tone. 的ong, 冬. I'm going to write it again. You can write with me. 冬. It means winter. And this character is a top-bottom structure character. And this part here is this character's top part. And this part, these 2 dots here, is this character's bottom. Now let's look at these 2 characters. 秋, 七优秋 means autumn. 冬, 的ong, 冬 it means winter. Now let's look at some phrases. The first phrase is 秋天. It means autumn. 七优秋, 特一安天, 秋天. It means autumn or fall. And next, 秋季. It also means autumn.
秋季，七幽秋，极易季 also means autumn or fall. Next one, 冬天. What does that mean? Right, it means winter. 冬特yan天冬天 It means winter. Next one, 冬季. Right, also means winter. 冬极易季冬季. Let's look at these phrases. 秋天秋季冬天冬季.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe below. Thanks again. 感谢观看。